Hello, my name is Rajan Arora and welcome to my course Essentials of SQL Server Performance for Every Developer. You are watching the video of Module 6 Applying Common Performance Practices Part 1 Module Introduction. If you are new to this course, please start it from the course introduction video for better understanding. Thank you. In the other modules of this course, we have concentrated on what is happening inside of SQL Server. In this module, our focus is a little bit different. In that, we are going to go through some common performance practices that you want to apply in your application code. First, we will talk about why you want to make sure to use parameterized SQL when you write your data access code. Then, we will talk about if it really is faster to use stored procedures instead of including your SQL directly inside of your application. Next, we will talk about commit frequency and how that can affect the performance of your data access layer. Then, we will talk a little bit about object relational mappers or ORMs. First, we will talk about how using an ORM can make what is happening inside of SQL Server a little less visible and what you can do about it. And finally, we will wrap up by talking about the n+1 select problem, which is commonly encountered performance problem when using ORMs, but fortunately is easy to resolve. So let's get started by talking about why it is important to parameterize the SQL in your application. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.